Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to tackle a common issue that many of you may have encountered when working with Cert-manager. In Kubernetes cannot install issuer for Cert-manager k8s. If you've been struggling to get Cert-manager up and running, this video is for you. We'll break down the problem, explain what's going on behind the scenes, and provide a clear solution to get you back on track. Cert-manager is an incredibly powerful tool that simplifies certificate management in Kubernetes. But like any complex system, it can be finicky at times. That's why we're dedicating this video to helping you troubleshoot and resolve this specific issue. By the end of this video, you'll have a deeper understanding of how Cert-manager works and what you need to do to get your issuer installed successfully. So let's dive into the problem at hand. When you try to install an issuer for Cert-manager, Kubernetes throws an error saying that it cannot be installed. This can be frustrating, especially if you're new to Cert-manager or Kubernetes in general. To understand what's going on, we need to take a step back and look at how Cert-manager works. Cert-manager is a Kubernetes controller that automates the process of obtaining and managing TLS certificates from various issuers. An issuer is essentially a provider of TLS certificates, such as Let's Encrypt or a self-signed certificate. When you try to install an issuer, Cert-manager creates a series of resources in your Kubernetes cluster, including a cluster issuer or issuer resource, depending on the scope of the issuer. However, sometimes this process can fail due to various reasons, such as incorrect configuration, lack of permissions, or even network issues. One common reason for this error is that the Cert-manager controller may not have the necessary permissions to create resources in your cluster. This can happen if you're using a restrictive RBAC policy, or if the service account used by Cert-manager doesn't have the required permissions. Another possible cause is that the issuer configuration itself might be incorrect or incomplete. For instance, if you're trying to use an external issuer like Let's Encrypt, you need to provide the correct API endpoint and credentials for Cert-manager to authenticate with the issuer. To resolve this issue, we recommend checking your issuer configuration carefully and ensuring that Cert-manager has the necessary permissions to create resources in your cluster. You can do this by reviewing your RBAC policies or checking the logs of the Cert-manager controller pod. Before we wrap up, let's summarize the key points discussed in this video. Cert-manager is a powerful tool for automating TLS, certificate management in Kubernetes. The cannot install issuer error can occur due to various reasons, such as incorrect configuration, lack of permissions, or network issues. To resolve the issue, review your issuer configuration carefully and ensure that Cert-manager has the necessary permissions to create resources in your cluster. That's it for today's video. We hope this explanation helped you understand what's going on behind the scenes when Cert-manager throws a cannot install issuer error. If you have any questions or need further clarification, please leave a comment below and we'll do our best to help. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like it and subscribe to our channel for more content on Kubernetes and related topics. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.